our oregano is almost finished blooming here. We've got a few flowers left on it, but we want to rejuvenate it and get all of these off of here. So we are going to cut them back. I'm basically going to cut these just down past this foliage that's here, because I don't want to take a chance of cutting any of the other foliage, so in case it wants to start blooming again before the cold starts. As you can see, all the stuff that's falling off of these are actually seeds. Now whether they are viable or not, I do not know, but some of them probably will come up. I have this oregano at my house, and it did this earlier in the season, and I cut it back and it has bloomed and is blooming again. There, now it's all untangled from the other perennials and it's back to its original size, and it may start blooming again.